In today's video, we are going to look at how to properly add images to your website and get all of the SEO benefits that you should out of them. What is going on? I hope everyone is doing well. And today I wanted to make this video because I have been doing some work to woodslawnmaintenance.com, and Ethan, the owner of the company, came back in after I did the work and he made some changes, which is all good. You know, it's his business, it's his website. He's more than welcome to do whatever he wants to do. But I was not done with what I was doing, so I'm still looking at his site, and I saw some errors in the way that he installed these images and stuff like that. So I asked him if I can make this video, because the point of the video is not to say you're an idiot. The point of the video is to show him and anyone else how to properly get these images onto your website so they look good and so you get all of the SEO benefits that you want out of them. And by look good, I mean like they're the right size for the space and stuff like that. And an issue with images is if you have a big image file size, say your image is, you know, 1,000 pixels by 1,000 pixels, for example, and it's going in a 200 pixel by 200 pixel space, you know, your website's trying to pull in all of that data for that bigger file size when it just needs a smaller one. It's going to make your site load slower, and Google has made that clear that slow sites will be getting ranked lower in the search results. So this is what I wanted to show right here. If we right click on this image, this is an icon of a mower, still considered an image, and we click inspect. It's going to bring up our little thing right here, and we can see the image source right here. So woodslawnmaintenance.com/WP-content, because that is a WordPress thing. So all images uploaded into WordPress are going to go into WP-content /upload/year/month, and then here we go. So mower icon PNG. So PNG is the file type. This could either be a PNG or a JPEG. You know, it could potentially be a GIF or some other file type, but normally it's going to be a JPEG or a PNG, and you really want to use JPEG unless you need that transparent background, because I don't believe you can get the transparent background on a JPEG. But JPEGs are smaller file sizes, and that makes it load faster. So if you don't need the transparent background, you definitely want it to be a JPEG instead of a PNG. So we're going to make this a PNG. I can't really tell how big this is. Okay, so you can see right there on the screen, it's 206 by 73 pixels is what it's showing, and then its natural size is 600 by 504. So it is larger than it needs to be. So we're going to make the image smaller, and we're going to save it as a JPEG, and we're going to re-upload it with, so this is the file name right here, mower-icon PNG. We're going to re-upload this with a file name like lawn mowing service or lawn care service, lawn service, lawn maintenance company, lawn care near me. We're going to use a keyword instead of this, because this itself is not that bad. But let's take a look at another page where he added some more images. Let's take a look at this image right here. Inspect. So this one is, so same thing, woodslawnmaintenance.com, WP content, uploads, year, month, woods-lawn-lola-dirt- spammy looking content, and at least it is a JPEG. Okay, so that's that. So, and another thing is this is not really the right size for the space. This could be centered. So that's going to be like a spacing, margin, padding type deal to tweak on the site. Maybe we'll get into that in this video, but the main thing is getting these uploaded as the right type and size and stuff like that. So let's say we wanted to do this one right here. If we go inspect on this lawnmower right here, we can then right click up here. We can go copy link address, and I actually already did it. So then we just paste the address in here, and voila. And I know this is hard to see as it's a transparent background, and then the icon is almost the same color as the background, but we can click on that and we can go save image as, and we'll take this to his file folder, and I'll save it. And I'm just gonna make a new folder. It says new icons per Ethan. And I had the size as 150 by 150. I note my files inside my computer so I know what they are. So as of right now, I'm just saving it the same because I need to edit this picture. So I have it saved to my computer now, so I'm gonna go over to Canva and I'm gonna use custom dimensions right here. And this is Canva's free. You don't have all the functionality of the paid version. It's not that expensive. I highly recommend it if you're going to be doing a lot of image work. It is an awesome tool, just so much simpler than Photoshop. It doesn't have all the functionality of Photoshop, but it gets the job done for website work very, very well. So we will open this up, and what's kind of cool about Canva is you can come down here, and if we get this down to 100%, you'll see how big 150 by 150 is. So that's that. I'm actually going to go ahead and change that to, we'll make it 200 by 200. Resize it. Okay, so it just made it a little bit bigger. And to get your pictures into Canva, we'll go to uploads. If you have the free version, I don't think you can have folders, but I do have folders with the paid version, so I'm going to go down and stick this in Woods file here. So upload your own image. I'm going to grab that mower icon we just saved, ripped off the site, and as it uploads into Canva, it's good. Click on it, boom. Now it's on our thing right here. So I'll zoom in just so I can see better, so you can see better, and I'll just make it as big as possible to fit the whole thing in the picture. I'll get it centered, and I think that looks pretty good right there. So that's that, and then I'll click download, file type as a JPEG, download. So now we have this being saved, and now, so I'm in that same file. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new folder. We'll go new icons, edited, boom. So then I will type in, local lawn mowing service. So now the file image name is going to be local lawn mowing service. So when we upload it into WordPress, this where it says mower icon .png, it'll say local lawn mowing service .jpg. So that is what we want. So you just come into your media library. I could have just went to add new right there, but I clicked too fast. And then I would add new, select files, and I'm in my new file right here, boom. So that's that. So now we have that new icon. So here's his old icon. You can see the old icon doesn't have, it has the grayed out background because that is transparent. Just click on it, you can see it's transparent. There's the mower icon PNG. This is another way where you could find your images. If you have access to the backside, you can pull images right off the site by just highlighting that, copy and pasting it into a new tab. So here's our new one where we have local lawn mowing service, and it's -1. So I guess I already had one in here as local lawn mowing service. So because of that, I'm actually just going to go ahead and delete this out of here. Okay, I'll go into my files and I will rename that because you don't want two files with the same file name. So we'll go rename and we'll say local lawn mowing company. Okay, there's that, and then just very simply re-upload that local lawn mowing company, open, and voila, and perfect. So I didn't have another image already in here that was titled local lawn mowing company. So that's how you want to do it right there. Your alt text can go here. If you just want to be real quick and easy about it, just go ahead and copy and paste your title into your alt text. If you want to get jiggy and put a description, you can put a description in there. If you want to write a caption, you can write a caption. Just a heads up, sometimes the captions do show below the image, like right here would be your caption. If you hover over an image, you often see the name, the title, so lawn mowing service. So that's actually the alt tag if you look over here. So if you're hovering over an image, it's going to show the alt tag. So when you're populating those alt tags and stuff like that, make sure that it is something appropriate, because it will look awfully spammy to people viewing your site if they just happen to leave their cursor over an image like that. So that's that. And then, am I logged in here? I should be logged in here. I want to show you. So just to give you a heads up. So we got title, alt text, local lawn mowing company. Okay, so let's go into the site and really quickly we will swap out that image. So I'm going to enable my visual builder here in Divi. Absolutely love Divi. So once this loads up here, we'll click on this image and we'll swap it out for the new one. So here's our new image. Upload. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is, if you're using Divi, you need to come to attributes to populate the alt text. So anything you entered in the media folder in your dashboard in WordPress, it's not going to pick that up. You have to add your alt text in the Divi module here. So I have seen this in some other WordPress builders, themes, stuff like that. So just because you put that alt text in that one place in the media folder doesn't mean that Google's going to be able to pick it up on your site. So hopefully that gives you some insight. Canva is just awesome for taking any kind of file, picture you want, and then resizing it. So I'm at 200 by 200. So if I took this picture, which is obviously taller than it is wide, and I wanted to make it a square, in this case it would be a 200 by 200 square, but you know, that's it. You can drag it around, do this, do that, the other thing, whatever. You can add text on top of it if we wanted to add text. We could add shapes on it. We could, you know, I mean, the possibilities are endless. There's lines, there's icons. You can upload your own stuff to put on here. But just to get you an idea of what you can do, that is why I love Canva, and I use it all the time, like all day. So you have transparency right here, so you can make stuff see-through. You have a whole color wheel to pick any color you want. You can just type in your color code. It's freaking absolutely amazing. So hopefully that that helps. The main thing is just make sure you have your image file named properly on your computer. That is where it's going to pull it from, and you're not going to be able to change that inside of WordPress, although there may be a plugin that lets you do that. I think I saw that the other day. But for best practice, just do it right the first time, and make sure you're not uploading files larger. The dimensions right there, if you see the dimensions, 200 by 200, so that's the file size I wanted, or the image size I wanted. So don't upload 1,000 by 1,000 and then have the website and browsers and stuff compress that down, because it's just going to slow your site down for no reason. You want it to be a JPEG unless you need that transparent background. And don't forget to populate your alt text. And if you want to get super jiggy with a description and a caption, knock yourself out, but at least get that alt text in there and make sure your image title is correct. So I hope that helped. That's it for today's video, and you already know, keep making money.